Alright, this video will be an example solve video, and I average sub 8 and hopefully nearly sub 7, so if you average anything higher than that, I hope you find this video helpful. And also, all these 5 solves I did in a real life average of 5 just a few minutes ago. It was a 705 average of 5, and so these solutions are all what I would do in real life situations. So without any further ado, let's just get into the first solve, which is a 6.92. I'm white only, so I only do white cross. My cross pieces are here, 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 and here. And I did an X cross actually on white. So I noticed, obviously, these two cross edges. This one's just one moved away, and this one's being solved right now. And we also have this edge, which is conveniently attached to its center and also to this edge, and also this block. So I notice I can bring this one down. This block will get to the top layer. And conveniently, after I insert this blue edge to here, this edge will be set up right here so that I can join it to form a big block, and then insert it at the back. And in inspection, I planned this pair as my second pair, so I just went straight ahead into these two. And then these two I saw next. And then here I can obviously see my fourth pair, so I just does these two. And then just OLL and PLL. Alright, next solve. This one was a 6.84. So here I just did a simple white cross. My cross pieces are here, 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 and here. And this edge is not very nicely set up, although these two are. So I did an F prime to set up all of these three, put this at the back, and then solve these. And notice I did not solve them separately, because if I did this and then these, this pair will be a bad pair. So I did this and then I did this to do these all together, and then this one into the back, and now I have these two, so into the back, and then these, rotate these two, and then just OLL and PLL. Alright, next solve. A 7.46. So here again did white cross pieces here, 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 and here. And I did these two first, obviously, because they're the easiest. And then there's also the blue edge, so I can do that along with the orange edge, like so. And then finally this one, D2, and then rotate for this pair, because that's what I planned in inspection. And I also can see this one at the back as well, and conveniently these two here as well. So after I do this, I can see this will pair up, and then rotate for these. And here I know this is a VLS case. You just do this, and then sledge to get your OLL solved, and then just A perm. Alright. Next solve was a 594. This one is the fastest solve of the average, so that's pretty nice. We have cross pieces here, 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 and here, and I see this block which will go along with this edge. That will be my first pair, and I started thinking from this angle because I can solve these two in the back with D prime, wide L, and then F, like so. And then I know that this edge will end up at the back, and L2 will bring it down to here. And so after I solve my last cross edge, I can just immediately rotate for this pair, which is like done like this. And I know that this pair will get paired up. So I did these two in the back. Now normally you would do something like this, but then your last two pairs are horrendous. And so I did this to keep a nice orientation on the corner. And so now I can insert these two and these two together quite nicely, because if I do keyhole, this will end up being a free pair, and I can just insert these two. And then I know what all I'm going to get from this pattern, so I just canceled into it. And I saw many blocks, so obviously it's going to be a J perm, cancel into the J perm, and yeah, that makes for a 594. Really nice solve, in my opinion. Alright, last solve. White cross again, cross pieces here, 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 and here. This was a 739, I believe. And obviously these three are already easy, like so. And normally you can just insert this with F prime, but here I took this pair out first into the top layer. And so U2, and at the back, and I noticed these two in inspection, so I did this into the back as well, and then these two in the back. These two. And then just OLL and PLL. Yeah, so those were 5 solved. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful. And I'll see you in the next one.